on my screen, you can see a WhatsApp message of a weekend flash sale offer that I'm currently running on my store. And I want to send this flash sale offer to all my customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. But manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer is going to take a lot of time. Also, creating a WhatsApp group nowadays is very unprofessional. So in that case, I have got an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that is going to help me to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in just one click. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo for the software, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps menu where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so now here, as you know that in this video we are going to learn how you can set up a broadcast for your business. So for that we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards broadcast section, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I'm going to send this bulk WhatsApp message. Yes, I've created this template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and you can create the message template as per your requirement. But if you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. So now firstly, let me take you to the template section, and under templates you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. So I'm going to show you the template that I'm going to use in this WhatsApp broadcast. So this is my template, and here you can see the message that I've drafted. Also, my status of the template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. So now if you want to learn how you can create this template in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so now once you have a approved template, move towards broadcast section, and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcast, number of live sentence, scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Start Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. From here, select the type as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm going to give the name as New Flash Sale. Alright, let's move forward. Then comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So as you know that I'm going to send this message to all the customers whose data I have in Google Sheet. And in order to send the WhatsApp message to these customers, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So for that, we are going to access this contact section. Under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of an existing contact list. To create a new one, click on the Add Contact button. If you want to add single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this option. Now it is asking for a CSV file, and as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets format. That means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on the Add Contact button, and multiple contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I have with the name New List. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience. So basically using this option, you can exclude the contacts whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the contact list, or you can also exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude some contacts with whom we are having in a 24-hour active conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular one, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So this is my template, and here I have not used any variables, but if you want to make your text personalized, then you can add variables as per your requirement. Then click on this done button, and you can see my template has been selected over here. Then it is asking us to test our broadcast. So before sending it to the wider audience, I'm going to send it on my WhatsApp number first and test this broadcast. Here I'm going to add my username, and then I'm going to add my number. Then we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly a new same message has been received on my number. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule a broadcast. To send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select a particular date and time. Here make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and you can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data for the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of creating a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.